Jacqueline is not yours. She is so all mine. I'm in a spirit. I'll kill you.
Oh, how did you get here? Well, what do you want to do with this?
My sweetie, death. Kill death. Death.
What's going on in here? It must be swimming. Oh, what are you doing with this? Get off!
You don't
Hey!
deserve her.
Stop it! Hey! Stop it!
Fucking kill ya!
Why, Rovira? You were supposed to be my friend. I cannot believe you're doing this to me right now, yo. You forgot one thing. We're so in love. She loves me a lot, and I do love her too. And I just don't give a fuck what you think. There's nothing you can do to bring us down, because we're so in love, you know, and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
No way!
Fuck you, man.
No way!
I hate you.
No! I will survive!